In today's video, I will prove how you can master any JEE chapter without watching any lectures. I have used this technique on two different chapters of chemistry, and you don't believe those are my strongest chapters till now. Even my teachers were shocked. If you are tired watching endless video lectures, then this video is for you. This is the video you can't afford to miss. Okay, so let me tell you how I mastered those chapters and how you can too. Chemical bonding and coordination compound. These are the two chapters I barely took any classes because I missed it. Then I go to my teacher. I come to I had gone to my teacher and said, "Sir, this is the problem. I had missed it." Then my teacher said, "Kush, listen to me. Write down the notes I have given to you in a PDF format. Read it read it very carefully. Ask doubts if you have." I said, "Okay, let me try." Then Then I read those notes very carefully and I have marked the doubts, means I have written with pencil, okay, this is this thing I don't understand, this. And next day I had gone to my teacher and asked those doubts and sir told me. If you don't believe it, let me show you. See this. I have written a doubt here, spectral field. I didn't understand this, and sir told me the explanation, and I wrote the whole explanation here. So basically, read a chapter carefully and ask doubts. These are the steps only. No, this is not even 10% to master it. You know what? Then I solved many questions. Many means many questions of these chapters. You mean like 300, 350 something question like that, and not the regular exercise based questions. All are mains questions and JEE advanced PYQ. And you don't believe these only two things made those two chapters strongest chapters of mine. Yeah, I mean to say that just practice more and more questions, and those should be relevant questions, not just like any exercise here and there questions you are doing. No, I only reading notes carefully and solving as many questions, as many relevant questions as possible. These two chapters are my strongest chapter, and this is the same strategy I am using for my drop year. I don't know why I am telling this. I am just increasing the competition. Use चाहिए मुझे. If you have any doubt regarding to this or any other, just tell me down in the comment section. I read all the comments. Nothing now. Just go and watch my another videos too. You will definitely like those. And this is the first time I am recording a video in English. So let me down in the comment section. What are your views on this? Just don't compare my English with yours. You can appreciate it. लाइक कर दो भाई वीडियो को.